Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's challenging level puzzle. And it's called Chin's Traps by Chinstrap. And yes, I did choose this because I do like sort of the multiple layers of meaning here. Um, Anyways, let's get to the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply on the inner 9 by 9 grid. So which means that in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9 cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. We have numbered rooms clues, where all outside cells on a line must contain a digit. And that digit must also appear in the nth position looking into the grid in the row slash column, where n is the digit in the first position. So for example, if we had, say, a 7 here and this was like a 6, that would say 7 has to be in the 6th position in this row. So counting from this end, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 would have to be here if this were the case. So that's an example of how numbered rooms clues work. And every cell that is on a line must contain a digit. So these all must contain digits here. And the reason why is they are on entropy lines, where every set of 4 adjacent digits on a hollow peach line must contain a digit from each of the x pairs or 10 pairs subsets of 1, 9 is a subset, 2, 8 is a subset, 3, 7 is a subset, and 4, 6 is a subset. A 5 may not appear on a entropy line, and digits on a line may repeat if allowed by other rules. So as an example, this works actually 6 and 7. We could have something like, say, 1 and then 8 here. That would be valid because for these 4 digits, adjacent digits on the line, we have 1 digit from 1, 9, 1 digit from 2, 8, which is the 8, 1 digit from 3, 7 subset, which is 7, and 1 digit from the 4, 6 subset, which is 6. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay. We have 8 long entropy lines here. This is 4 long entropy lines. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 in length. I see something. In column 1, these 3 digits are all different entropy digits. These 2 are guaranteed to be the same one because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, we're in this set of 4 digits, we're missing this digit here, this set here. So these must be the same set. And since these must be the same set, that means this digit has to be the same digit as one of these. Because we're missing 1, 2, 3 here, those are different sets than these because we have 2 of the same set here. So this digit must be the same digit as one of these 2. Well, this can never have 5 on the entropy line, so this must be the same digit as that, which means this is a 7. So we have this is exactly the same digit as this one. This one must be its opposite. So this is 7, which means we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 digits, we're losing the 7, so this must be a 3 here. So this is 3 and 7 there. That's interesting. Here we have one of each of these digits. So this is the same. So we'll mark these as green, and we'll mark this specifically as A. So we have A with Z paired. A has to be the same as that. This digit cannot be 1 through 3 here. So 3 and 7, I don't know, we'll mark it as yellow or something. Maybe we'll mark it as red. 3 and 7 will be red. We need blue and yellow then. So we'll mark this as yellow, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 is yellow. And then, so this is green, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 is green here. And this must, it could be A. So we don't know which one of these it is. And then this is blue and blue. Okay. So here we have one of each digit. So we cannot have, so that means 3 has to be one of these digits here. Yellow has to be on here. So here we have, this can't be 5. So 5 has to be either here or here. And then we have blue and green as the other digits. So this could be blue or green here. These digits are the same no matter what. Because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These have to be the same set. This digit is the same set as that. So these have to be blue, green, and 5 as combinations. So these could be the same digit. This has, we don't know, it's red, yellow. Oh, this is red, yellow, and blue guaranteed here. So we have red, yellow, and blue here. These could be the same digit. We know they are the same set, but we don't know if they're the same digit. So here we have guaranteed red and yellow here. Red, yellow, blue. So this is definitely red, yellow, and blue here. That means we don't have another red, yellow in the column. So we could have blue, green, or 5 here. So this is blue or, so we have 5 in one of those two, and then these are blue or green as possibilities. Okay. What other combinations do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two are the same set. So it cannot be green, cannot be blue. So these have to be either red or yellow. We're not sure which. Where is the 5 in row 7? It can't be on the Tentropy line. So 5 has to be here, which means this is not 5. So this is a blue-green pair here. This is then a blue-green pair, and this can't be blue or green. It's 5. Because there's no other place for it in row 9. This cannot be the same as that, but it could be blue or green. We just don't know. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two are the same set. These two are the same set. Or no, these two are the same set. Okay. Where is the 5 in row 5? 5 can't be on the Tentropy lines. Cannot be here because of 5 in the column already, so 5 has to be there. Where's 5 then in box 9? Can't be on the Tentropy lines, can't be here, so 5 has to be there. Where does that leave 5 in column 9? Can't be here because of 5's in the boxes, can't be on the Tentropy line, so 5 is there. Okay. Where is 5 in box 2? Can't be here because of 5 in the row, can't be on Tentropy lines, can't be here because of 5 in the column, so 5 has to be there. Where is the 5 in box 5? Can't be here or here because of 5's in the columns, and can't be on the Tentropy line, so 5 has to be there. That eliminates 5 from being there, so that's blue or green. This cannot be blue or green, so this has to be a 5 remaining there. And we now have 8 5s. We know where the last 5 is. It's there. Okay. So, what do we have then with information? Pink obviously cannot be any of these digits here. We have 2 pinks here. So pink cannot be here. One of these is pink. We don't know which. Okay. Blue cannot be 1, 2, or 3 away. It could be 4, cannot be 5. So 4, 6, no 7. So 4, 6, no 7, no 8. It could be 9. So this is 4, 6, or 9, which means this has to be 1, 4, or 6. So yellow has to be either 1, 9, or it's 4, 6. So blue can match that blue there. Could match 6. Could match 7. Can't be match 7. So 4, 6, or 9 is the one that it's matching. Interesting. These 2 digits. This is... So these are different sets. These are different sets. We have... This is the same set. So one of these must be the same as green or blue, at least. It could be both. Whichever red or yellow is here, it also has to be... Okay, cannot be here. So whichever one is this one. So we'll mark that... It's red or yellow. So we'll mark that as dark. These 2 are the same, right? 1, 2... So 1, 2, 3, 4. Every 4th set is the same on a entropy line. These 2 are the same. This has to appear somewhere here. It cannot appear here. It cannot be the blue-green. So it has to be the same as that one. So this is the dark cell here. Which means this cannot be the other dark cell. So we need one other dark cell in one of these 3. That means we can't have dark cells here because these are the same one. So this is not dark cell here. We have a definite dark cell here. So... We don't know what this is. It can't be pink, whatever that is, but we don't know which one's pink. In this set, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the same set. Those are the same set. This and this one are the same set. So these 2 are the same set also. That means this is the same set as one of these 3. And the other 2 must be the same set there. Interesting. So we have 3 distinct sets here. These two are different, these two are different, so that's not helpful. We know one of pink is here. These are a set of 4 unique digits, 4 unique sets. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are unique sets. These are unique sets. We have here a combination of blue, red, and yellow. That's not too helpful. These are the same set. Oh, so this is 5 away. Interesting. So this is 5 away here. And this is the same set as this. So I don't know what to mark that as. Light? So these are the same set. We have 2 lights here. So we have 1 each here, which means these are 1 each of those sets. That's interesting. So light has to be one of these 2. So this is the same as that digit. We'll mark that as B. So light is not the same as pink. Okay. This green blue is the same as that one. I don't know how to mark that though. We don't have enough colors. I don't know, dark green. So this is the other one, which we'll mark as dark blue. But it could be the different one than this blue and green, which is why we're marking it differently. This is dark green here. So dark green could be either of these 2. And then blue, we don't know. Could be these, both of these. We just don't know. These 2 digits are the same. So this can't be 1, 2, or 3. It could be 4. So this is 4 through 9. 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9 there are possibilities. This is obviously not 1 and 9. So this is 2, 3, 4. It can't be 2, 3. So this is 2, 4, 6, or 8. Oh, that's interesting. So this is the same as that one. So, okay, this can't be 2. So this can't be 2. This can't be 2. So this has to be a 4, 6 pair here. Bingo. Because this is not the same set as that, so it can't be 2 away. And these have to add up to 10. Same with this. This is cannot the same set as that, so it can't be 2 away. And it can't be 3, 7. You can't have 1, 9 here because 1 would force that to be the same digit as that, which is obviously not because they are on the entropy line. So this is a 4, 6 pair. So therefore, that makes yellow 1 and this 9. So this is 4 and 6. This has to be 2 or 8 then. So blue is 2 or 8. This is in the 9th position. So that matches this. So this is not green. That's blue. That means this can't be blue. It must be green. So we have, that's 4 or 6. This one means this one can't be Z. So this is A, which makes that Z. That means one of these 2 is A. We don't know which. So this is green. Obviously this can't be green. It's blue, red, or yellow. We don't know which. So this one matches this. We'll mark that as C then. So we have to have 1 and 3 here. This we don't know. It's 2, 4, 6, and 8. This is obviously 4 or 6. So it must match these. So it could be 4 here. This one matches. So this one must be either here or here. So this set has to be the same as one of these two. Can this be 4 or 6? If this is 4, that would make 6 there. So these two digits would be the same. And that is possible. So green cannot be the one that's double setted here. So it has to be one of these sets here. So whichever digit is here, so whatever these two sets are, they have to be double setted here. Interesting. Which means none of them can be here. Only one of them can be here. Oh, this light pair, it means these can't be the light pair. So the light pair has to be the light pair here. So they're the double-setted pair here, which is not the green. So this cannot be green here. This is also the light pair. Right? Is that right? Yeah, because this light pair is here, because it's 5, and these are the same set. So we have 2 here, therefore they can't match this. Therefore they must be these. So we have 2 here, 1 here. We have 2 in box 5. So we can't have a light here. We can't have a light here. We have to have this be light. So this is light. And they cannot be the same as green. So then light has to be this digit is either 4 or 7. So that leaves this as 3 and 6 as possibilities. So this is B, which means that can't be B. So B has to be here. This is going to be Y, so we'll mark that, and then this is BY. One of these is light, therefore this is definitely light here. So one of these is light. We have a guaranteed light here, and this is another set, which is the same as that. Okay. So we don't know which one this is. This is B or Y. 4 or 7 away. Interesting. This is the same set as that. This is the same set as that. This is the same set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same set as that. Okay. Orange has to be one of these 3, obviously. That doesn't help very much. Light cannot be... Yeah, we know this is light. Hmm. Um, one has to be one of, oh, this is 2, 8. So we have 2, 8 here. Remaining digits in this column then have to be 1, 7 with one out of 2 or 8. So this corresponds to that. If you have, so B would be the opposite, the one that adds up to 10 with that. So if it's 1 here, this is 9. If this is 2 here, that would be 8. If this is 7 here, that's 3. If it's 8, that's 2. So this digit matches, is the same set as this one. Cannot be green, cannot be light. So therefore, it cannot be 6 away. This has to be 4. So this is 4. All the Z's are 4 then. So this is 4. All the A's are 6. So these are 6. That means 4 away is this digit because this can't be. It's Y. And this is different sets. So 4 eliminates 4 here. This is 7 and 3, which means this is orange. Orange is red, essentially. So 7 cannot be here. So this can't be red. So this is blue or yellow. This can't be red because it's different than the light. So therefore, where is the red? It has to be here. So this is red and is 7. One of these is 1. We're not sure. This cannot be 3 because it's either blue or it's yellow here. We're not sure which. 4 away is the same set as this, which is red. So that's red, and it must be 3. So we have 3 there. This is light. I guess we'll make this orange here. Hmm. So 4 here eliminates 4 in the rest of the row. Or box, sorry. So 6 is definitely here. Don't know which. So 7 away is this one. So this is B. And it's 2, 8, or 9, but we're not sure which. B has to be one of these 3. We don't know which. Okay. We have one red here. This could be red. We still don't know. Three can't be here. 3 can't be here. 3 has to be one of these 3. That's interesting. Threes. Oh, interesting. 7 can't be here or here because of 7's in the column. Can't be here because of the tetropy cells, so 7 has to be here. Well, where's 3 then? 3 cannot be anywhere here because of 3's in the boxes, so 3 has to be here. Which leaves this as a 2, 8, and 9 triplet here. That eliminates 2, 8, and 9 in the rest of the box. This has to be 2, 8, or 9 here because of the way that works. So this is orange. So this is orange. This is light. This has to be green. Right? That makes sense. Okay. Pink is not the same as light. That's one thing we figured out. Hmm. Remaining digits in column 3, we have 1, 4, and 3. Don't know which of those is which. So orange has to be in the 6th spot, so this is orange. This is a green-orange pair here. We're not sure which is which. Okay. So green or orange, and this is green or orange. Well, actually, we don't know. It could be that one. Never mind. We can't have light. Oh, we need a red. Well, light's not lead, so this has to be red then. So this is 7. We need a red in row 4. They can't be here because of 7 in the box. Can't be here because of 7 of the Tentropy line. So it had to be here. Interesting. Okay. We have green here. So light can't be green. Medium could be, or we could have a green there. So mediums. So this cannot be red in this row. So it has to be green, blue, and yellow. Remaining digits in this row then are 1, 2, 4, 8, 9. 4 has to be on this Tentropy line because we have to have a green on one of those. But we don't really have anything else restricted. These are double light. It cannot be green, so this must be orange here. Huh. So then one of these is green, and then the other one is orange. We just don't know which. So orange cannot be pink. Light can't be pink. So pink has to be either red or potentially green. So this is definitely 3, 7, or 4, 6 here. Okay. So these have to be red or yellow. Well, red is not on here anymore, so these must both be red. So dark is red. Therefore, this is not yellow, that's red. So we know we have a red here, we have a red here. Since this is red, this is 3, that's 7. This cannot be 3 and 7. So pink has to be green. So that's pink, which means this can't be, sorry, it's green, which means this can't be green. That's 2 oranges. Therefore, this can't be orange. Cannot be orange, it's green, and it must be 4, which makes that 6. No more 4 here. This can't be 4 because of 4 in the row, so that's 6, which makes that 4. This is 3, which makes that 7. 3 has to be one of these 3. This can't be 3 because of 3 in the column. So one of these 2 is a 3. We're not sure which. This can't be red. If this were red, the problem is then this... Oh, wait, we don't know if that's red. Okay, so never mind that. Never mind. One of these is 3. Okay, so this is red, this is green. We still don't know the difference between these two. That means this must be the dark blue. So this must match that. Oh, this can't be dark green. Wait, no, hold up. So this matches this, but is not 4 or 6, which means it must be the normal blue. So this is blue, which means this is not blue, it's green. So this must be 6 here, no 6 here. This is blue, that makes this yellow here. So we're missing a yellow and a blue here. We're not sure which is which. 1, 2, 3, 4. These two are the same. This is blue. We cannot have 1 here because that would be the same digit. So it's 3 or 4 here. If it's 4, so if it's 3 away, that's interesting. So this is the same as that. That's what, C? Or I guess we could label it A. We don't have an A anymore. These are both pink. We have green here. Therefore, one of these is light, and the other one must be red. So one of these is red. That means this has to be red here. So this is 3 or 7 here. And we have green as one of these two, and this the other one must be orange. So this is orange and green as a pair. We don't know which. Well, we need a 6 somewhere in column 6. Where is the only place? It can only be here. So this is green and 6, so this can't be green. It's orange. So this is A. We'll pair it, I guess, with a Z. And one of these is 7. The other one is Y. Or sorry, 3 and 7. And the other one is Y. So we have 2 oranges here. Remaining colors. So orange, we don't know if it's blue or yellow. We have another green. So one of these is green. And then non-orange, so it has to be light. So this is green and light as a pair here. Okay. This digit is saying that it must be either here, which would be a 9 then, or it's here, in which case it would be 1 or 4. So this is either 1, 4, or it's a 9. If this is 4, that means it must be the same as that, but this has to be a different set than that, so it cannot be 2 or 8. Okay, so C is here, which means C cannot be here. C then has to be this digit. So we have to have C as one of these. That's with X. So we have X here, and then X is one of those two. So 6 away, we have 3 away, we have 5 away. This is 7 away. It's the same as that. Okay, so... Right, B and C could actually be the same digit, so we don't know. This is light or orange, so this is light or orange. We don't know which. This is yellow and blue, so this is a yellow-blue pair here. Yeah, it doesn't help us too much. Yellow and blue here. This is also a yellow-blue pair here. Red or light, but same thing, yellow and blue. This is yellow, blue, or green here. Can this actually be green? Okay. Can this be red is the question. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would, if this is red, this would have to be red also. It would have to be 3 or 7. 7 has to be one of these two digits here. 7 also has to be one of those two digits there. So if it's 7, it could be 8 here. This can't be 3. If that's 3, that would be 7 there. And this would have to be red also, which is not possible. So we know this is red and it's 3. 3 away is not going to be a red, so this can't be red. That means red has to be here, which is either 6 away or 8 away. We don't know which. 3 away is going to be whatever blue and yellow is here, which does match this set. That's interesting. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Cannot be 6 away because of 6 in the row. So it has to be, can't be 9 away because of 9 in the row, so this must be 8 away and is blue. So this is blue here, which means this can't be blue. That's yellow. This can't be yellow. That's blue. And we have green here. And then this must be red here. To be 8 away this way, so this is 8, which makes that 2. That leaves this as 1 and 4. 4 away has to be whatever this is. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is yellow, and this is blue. So 4 away is a blue, so this is blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4 away from that must be a blue, which means this can't be blue. That's yellow. So these are the same digits. 8 eliminates 8 here, so that's 6. So this is green. That leaves this as a yellow, so that's 9. So we have 9 here. This is 2, which makes that 8, which makes that 9. 8 eliminates 8 here. So the C's are 8, because the X's are 2's. C's are 8, X's are 2. So no 2 here. It's 8, 9 as a pair. No 8 there because it's 1, 2 as a pair. No 8 here. It's 2, 9 as a pair. So 8 away has to be 7. So this is a 7 and is red. So this cannot be 7 here. That means whereas the 7 in column 5, it can only be here. So that's 7. So this is 3 and Y. We don't know which one's which. This is blue. So this cannot be... Well, we don't know if blue goes this with this one or if it's that one. This is 2 here. So this is 2, 8 pair eliminates 2. And yeah, we know this is yellow. So this one we just don't know which one that is. So that's green, which means this has to be 4, 6 as a pair. So medium has to be essentially green. That leaves this as 6 and this as 4. We don't know which one B and Y are. Let's remove the X's. That's not helping us anymore. Let's remove the C's. That's not helping us anymore. B and Y. This is A and Z. We don't know which one these are. Okay. A is 6 away. That's fine. B is 5 away. 3 is 4 away. 6 is 7 away here. 8 is 9 away here. 7 is 8 away here. Whichever 2 are 8 here is 4 away there. So I'll make that C, I guess. This is 1. So 1 eliminates 1 here, so this cannot be 1 here. Okay. Here left are, we have... Okay. So this is one each of a set. And so that one of these is going to be green. Or sorry, one of them has to be yellow. So we have yet one yellow and one blue here, which means this can't be yellow. This must be blue. So light has to be blue. So this is 9. We don't know which one this is. So Y has to be 2. And B has to be 8. 8 is 7 away. 8 is 5 away there. So orange has to be yellow. This is 1. So that makes this 9, which makes that 1, which makes that 9. That leaves that as a yellow 1 there. This has to be 9 with 2 or 8. 8 obviously can't be here. That leaves the remaining digits in this on this ternary line as 3 and 1 out of... It can't be 6, so this is 3 and 6. 6 can't be here because of 6 in the row. So 6 must be here. That makes that a 3. That means 3 cannot be here. So that's blue, which means this can't be blue. That's yellow. Or so it's red. So this must be 2 here, and that's 3. Okay. This is blue, so this cannot be blue here. Oh, we already knew that. So that's green, which means this can't be green. That's blue. That leaves that as an 8. This as a 4. This as 1. That's 9. So A is 9. 2 eliminates 2 here, so it's 9 and 2. No 2 here, so that's 9. This can't be 2 or 9. It's 8. Which makes that 2, which makes that 8, which means that's an 8 there. No 1 or 3 here, so this is 4, which means this can't be 4. That's 3. That leaves that as 1, so that's a 1 there. And that must be 1 there. Remaining digits here are 2 and 4. And I need to delete everything outside. Or maybe I need to fill in this. So that's 7, and this must be 3 away. That's an 8. Nope, I'm guessing we have to delete everything outside for that to solve. Oh, no, we just haven't solved that. Okay. So then this is 9. Okay, there we go. Interesting. Nice coloring exercise, I feel. 6 away here is 9, 5 away here is 8, 4 away here is 3, 7 away here is 8, 6 away here is 7, 3 away here is 8, 3 away here is 1, 4 away here is 8, 8 away here is 7, 9 away here is 8, 7 away here is 6. So 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 4 and 6, 3 and 7, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 4 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 1, 9, 3, 7, 2, 8, 4, 6, 7, 3, 7, 1, 9, 2, 8, 4, 6, 3, 7, 1, 9, 2, 8, 1, 9, 3, 7, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7. These are all obviously different sets. 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 3, 4, 8, 3, 6, 8, 9, 6 and 4 are the same. 4, 6, 2, 8, 3, 7, 1, 9, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3, 7. And that's how you solve this puzzle. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.